Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is located in the very nice city of Nakhon Pathom, which is located just west of Bangkok. I stayed in this hotel in July of 2022. It is considered 3 stars on Agoda and has a rating of 8.3 out of 10. As you can see, looks really nice. The bed was really good, a bit firm but not too hard. You know, it was comfortable. I liked it. 4 big comfortable pillows, which I always enjoy a comfortable pillow, that's for sure. This room cost me 819 baht. That did not include breakfast. It is considered a superior king. Mini bar, just 2 bottles of water, which is included in the room. No mini bar here. Bathroom was good. Shower was only okay. The water started to get colder and colder as the shower went on. But you can see the big shower head started out really good, but ran out of hot water. Not much of a view, unfortunately. I was on the 2nd floor, and like most of the smaller hotels in these small cities, there's nothing to see, right? Right at the tree line. Got some greenery anyway. Down by the pool, this is in the parking lot. Awesome fish tank they got there. It's the hotel for at night. Very nice. There's a swimming pool. Swimming pool is a little small, but flowing water. It sounded really good, and that's where the breakfast is served, is next to the pool. Customer service, I give customer service 5 out of 5. Very professional, no issues at all. The gym is just right over there. Look at the front of the building. The condition of the hotel is, I don't know how old this place is, but it's like brand new. That's where the breakfast is served. The pool looks a little green, but that's just the color of the tiles or something that makes it do that. The water is clean. And right where those cars are parked, that's where the fish tank is. Just on the other side of those cars. Outdoor shower for the pool. Yeah, pretty small swimming pool, but the fountains make a difference, that's for sure. Parking, tons and tons of parking there. At least when I was there, there's like 2 parking lots right there. On the other side of the trees, there's more parking. No trouble to get a spot, that's for sure. There's the gym. Like I said, I didn't get breakfast included, so I don't know what the breakfast was like. There's where it's served buffet style. I find in these smaller hotels, especially if it's quiet, it's hit and miss, but I didn't have this one. And the hotel was quite busy. I was very surprised. The hotel was quite busy. If you're interested in the price on your dates for this hotel, I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out. And as for the $1 million question, Would I stay here again? Absolutely. This is an awesome hotel, awesome customer service. I'd happily stay here again, that's for sure. Maybe next time I'd try the breakfast.